Hey, what is up techie people? So Blitzwolf reached out to me saying that if I can give away their latest smartwatch on my channel. I said why not? So I'm giving away their latest smartwatch BW-HL3 to a random lucky subscriber on this channel. All you have to do is that just drop a thumbs up in this video, comment down below your favorite feature regarding this smartwatch, and most importantly follow me on Instagram. The link is down in the description. I will pick up a random comment on Monday. After that I will ship the watch to that person. So guys, the watch comes in this nice compact packaging with white and green box, and on the back we have some information written regarding the watch itself, like the model number, the Bluetooth version, and the working time, etc. Anyways, we will just unbox it. Let's see what's inside. So the watch has this lid mechanism to open up the box, and here is the watch itself in this nice looking leather watch band and metallic silver casing. On the back we have this plastic case with the charging port and the glass for sensors, and by the way, these sensors will measure your heart rate, your blood pressure, and your blood oxygen saturation. So a lot of things are going around with this sensor. Anyways, keeping aside the watch, let's see what else inside the box. Okay, so here we have the charging cable. It is a normal USB type A to this charging cable, and you have to just plug it in the adapter, and in this way you can connect it to your watch to charge it. That's easy. Now let's boot up the watch for the first time. Now I will remove this packaging. So here is Blitzwolf logo. So the watch started quite quickly, and this watch face, I guess so, is kind of similar to what we have seen on the Samsung watches, like the Tomcat watch face. Now swiping around the watch, here we have a lot of things going around. Like stopwatch, sleep time, settings, and this is your message, weather, exercise, blood oxygen. This really works or not? Okay, so the sensors are working on the back. Let's see if it can measure my blood oxygen saturation. So 97%, I think so it is accurate, because normally the blood oxygen saturation is around 97 to 100%. Let's measure it again. So it is taking a bit of time. 98%, I think so it is accurate because I have placed my finger on the back. Now let's see other features like the blood pressure. Okay, so keeping it aside, let's see the heart rate, because the blood pressure requires your watch to be on the wrist. So now it is 97, 96, so it is showing the live heart rate on the watch. And this is the exercise widget. Here is the main watch face. Let's see if we have any other watch faces as well or not. Okay, so a lot of watch faces are present here as well. 1, 2, 3. So 3 watch faces are present, and I think so you can connect it with your phone and download a bit of other watch faces as well. Let's keep that same Tomcat watch face. So here we have the settings. Let's see what's here. Recent info. Here we have some information regarding the watch, like the Wi-Fi version and other information. So in order to go back, you have to just swipe like this. So here we have this bright info. Let's see what's here. Okay, so here you can control the brightness of the smartwatch, and from here you can turn it off. That's pretty much it. Here are all the widgets that you can see and control. This is your find, so you can find your phone. This is your sleep widget, you can check your sleep cycle. So that's about it. This is the Blitzwolf smartwatch with some health related features that you can check out, and I will be giving away this smartwatch to you guys. Just you have to follow me on Instagram, comment down below on this video that what do you like about this smartwatch, and drop a thumbs up. I'll be picking up a random user on Monday, then I'll ship this watch after contacting him. So good luck guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.